Hello everyone, welcome to the MOS channel, and in this short video I will show you how to fix Apex Legend freezing, crashing and other bugs. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix this issue, first of all right click on Apex Legend and then go to properties and do the same as I am showing you in this video. So at the end, just click on this repair button and hope so this will fix your issue. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.